When grass does reach yon garden spring, and lambs they leap, while larks they sing, and larches leaf to part like wings, my bonnie red haired lassie, we'll walk together, hand in hands, we'll talk of this great ouden land, then follow winds to Gowden strands, my Sally. The morning sun peeps through the clouds, and glimmers o'er the mountain, and pauseth playfully to gild the crystal springing fountain, then downward beneath, till at last its gladsome rays have fallen, where nature dons its fairer robe and smiles on sweet Strathallan. The shepherd on the sloping heights, his fleecy flocks attending, admires the wealth of woodland green from peak to peak extending. The happy songster's welcome note goes through the air a-ringing, and lingers by the sheltered shade where purest flowers are springing. The Allan rolls in restless pride through glen and valley bending, each ripple, rill and sparkling brook with kindred waters blending. The waters of the glassy pool seem resting in devotion, then glide reluctantly to swell the surging, boundless ocean. The winter stern with snowy clouds comes o'er the landscape stealing, its glistening frostwork spreading forth, wild nature's gems revealing. How calm and grand the midnight scene, in floods of moonlight steeping, the silent stars their vigil keep, while fair Strathallan's sleeping. When snow does kiss yon lilac tree, and cold does grip the high hills here, come blow your whistle lightly, dear, my bonnie red haired lassie. Your versy line will still my ear, say blessed I'll hearken, thrilled to hear, I'll kiss those songs to fill our years, my Sally.